Thank you very much for stopping by the Gordon Miller Show. For sure, for show. The Gordon Miller Show is sure to please. Well, perhaps not. But I wanted to discuss something with the interviewers or viewers. I wish I could interview you guys. Anyway, no. I just wanted to talk about a little bit about genetics, biology, and DNA, and it's just crazy how the human body is, how fragile it is, but yet it's so amazing how it can overcome obstacles and things like that. But it's still not resilient compared to what it could be, or what I think. Ultimately, the reason we do decay is because of our physical. We're physical beings. We have flesh and blood and bone, and so eventually it's all going to deteriorate, and that's when I think why we end up dying. And and I don't want to seem doom and gloom, but I mean that's just kind of the reality of mortality and things like that. But it's kind of amazing how the human body is, and how uh, it's crazy how the procreation processes. Obviously, I'm not going to dive deep. I'm not going to dive deep into that. I'm not going to talk about that completely, and like the birds and the bees and things like that. Obviously, you know what the heck all that is. I hope so. But it's just amazing how people can procreate, because uh, it's kind of weird, the human body, how uh, disgusting it is, but yet it has its purpose. I get it, and some parts are the anyway. I just thought I'd share that with you. I know it may be a little bit of an odd video, an odd take, but whatever. I just wanted to share that with you. How it's kind of fascinated, the human body. We take for granted. We definitely do. We take for granted the body. I mean, maybe you don't, but I'm just saying. Like I say, I just wanted to share my thoughts with that. It's kind of amazing, the whole. I don't want to. I don't have this big scientific project or uh, presentation on it. I just wanted to share my thoughts on how kind of cool it is to think about it. Like, we have 1 trillion cells in our body, or it's just crazy. 1 trillion cells. It's actually pretty cool to think about, and actually the purpose of what it can achieve. Anyway, thank you very much for stopping by the Gordon Miller Show. All right.